Hi and welcome. I'm Laura Heydrich with the Pain Cure Clinic, where we show people how to cure any chronic pain or chronic illness. And hit that subscribe button for new TMS videos coming all the time. Our video today is about President John F. Kennedy and how he overcame chronic back pain using the mind-body connection. Let's discuss. Most people are not aware, but Dr. John Sarno actually had a mentor when he started practicing medicine in New York way back when in the early 1960s. And his mentor's name was Dr. Hans Kraus. Kraus actually taught Sarno about the mind-body connection. Kraus had labeled his diagnosis for chronic pain caused by stress muscle tension syndrome. And his diagnosis was pretty much exactly the same as what Dr. Sarno later called Tension Myositis Syndrome, or TMS. Both diagnoses credit stress as the cause of most chronic illness. So they were both at New York University Hospital working together in the rehabilitation department and treating patients for a variety of chronic pain issues, most notably back pain. Now, Dr. Sarno's treatment plan for TMS was primarily information. He would give monthly seminars and show clinical data that proved that things like herniated discs could not cause back pain. He would tell the patient how tension and stress and repressed anger were the real cause. He might also recommend mental work like journaling to help alleviate repressed anger. That was pretty much it. No exercise was mentioned. The really interesting thing is that although Dr. Kraus and his student Dr. Sarno, who later took over for him at the hospital, had the same diagnosed cause for chronic pain, their treatment protocols were the exact opposite. Dr. Hans Kraus' treatment for chronic back pain was exercise. Kraus prescribed vigorous exercise only for chronic pain. And he, like Sarno after him, also had great results. Now, some of you may know that President Kennedy suffered from severe chronic back pain most of his life. The pain got worse when he became president. As a matter of fact, you can see photos online of JFK lying on his back during meetings in the Oval Office. President Kennedy had 3 back surgeries over the course of a decade to fix the pain, but none of them worked. And it's kind of amazing that 60 years later, back surgery results have not improved. Surgery is still prescribed for back pain, even though it rarely works. Anyway, President Kennedy was eventually referred to Dr. Kraus at NYU Hospital because of the great results Kraus was achieving. Dr. Kraus did many tests and diagnostics on the young president, who had a lot of stress and a lot of pain. After reviewing the tests, Dr. Kraus prescribed for the president the same thing that he prescribed for most of his patients: vigorous physical exercise twice a day, 3 days per week. JFK followed doctor's orders and became 90% pain-free in less than 1 year. Prior to physical activity, Kennedy had not even been able to lift his small children, but now he could. He was a new man. The president went on to become a big advocate of physical fitness for Americans. Here's a video clip from the president from 1962.
I welcome this opportunity to speak to the people of America about a subject which I believe to be most important, and that is the subject of physical fitness. And I speak not only as President of the Union, but also as a parent of 2 children who I hope will grow up with those qualities of vigor and energy which we identify with the best of America. This should be a matter of concern to us all. A country is as strong really as its citizens. And I think that mental and physical health, mental and physical vigor go hand in hand. I hope that we will not find a day in the United States when all of us are spectators except for a few who are out on the field. I hope all Americans will be on the field.
Now, Dr. Sarno was not wrong about his treatment protocol, but neither was Dr. Kraus. They were both successful. Vigorous physical activity is perfect for TMS because it releases good hormones like dopamine, serotonin, oxytocin, and endorphins, hormones that relax the mind and body. Exercise also reduces the body's level of cortisol, the stress hormone. But what we've discovered at the Pain Cure Clinic is that the combination of both mental work and physical activity is the easiest and most reliable way to get rid of your chronic pain. We use a combination of both methods in our Sarno Masterclass. Check it out at paincureclinic.us. There's a link below. And thanks for watching. Gotta run.